This is Ryan from Canadian Cards. Live on breakers.tv/Canadian Cards, youtube.com, Facebook Live, twitch.tv, also broadcasting on sportscardforum.com. Good evening, Rick. We're doing break number 257. It's a 3-box break. It has 15-16 Upper Deck Black, 2 boxes of 16-17 Fleer Showcase. There'll be random for a free spot and random for a blaster box giveaway at the end of the break. It's a blaster box of 16-17 Series 2. Just want to thank everybody for joining. I'm going to take the 2 6-sided dice. Between the 2 6-sided dice, they have to equal 5 or more. That'll be the number of times that we random the names for the free spot and the names and teams for the break. Good luck to everyone. Thanks for joining. You guys can still see that. That one's a 6. That one's a 2. We are going to go 8 times. Going to read off the names. There'll be 29 spots. And then after the 8th time, the name on top will get the free spot. So we have Frank W, Kyle D, Sean M, Ethan F, Sebastian A, The Rick, Stash W, Lawrence V, Paulo S, Blue Whitey, Ryan C, Ethan F, Mikey T, Frank W, Sebastian A, Sean J, Kyle D, The Rick off SCF, Ethan F, Sebastian A, Ryan C, John V, Kyle C, Darren D, Frank W, Blue Whitey off of Breakers.tv, Ricky P, and Sean M. We're going to go 8 times. There'll be 29 names. This is for the free spot for break 257. Good luck to everyone. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sebastian A. Congratulations, sir. The free spot for this break was in the bottom, guys. So I'm going to copy it with spot 30. So I'm going to copy, put Sebastian's name there. We did go 8 times over here. So, same list. Just Sebastian in spot 30. We're going to go 8 times. This is for the names and teams for break 257. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ethan F on top, Sebastian A on the bottom, everybody else in between. And now we're going to go over to the teams. They're in alphabetical order. Winnipeg on the bottom, Anaheim on top. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Carolina on top. Flyers on the bottom. Everybody else in between went 8 times. Here's your names and teams for 257. Ethan F of the Hurricanes, Blue Whitey of the Islanders, Ricky P of the Sabres, Ryan C of the Rangers, the Rick off SCF with the Panthers, John D with the Predators, Kyle C of the Blues, Sean M with the Coyotes, the Rick off SCF with the Sharks, Mikey T with the Canadians, Frank W with the Blue Jackets, Sean M with the Lightning, Kyle D with the Ducks, Darren D with the Stars, Ethan F with the Avs, Kyle D with the Blackhawks, Ryan C with the Kings, Stash W with the Wild, Frank W with the Bruins, Sean J with the Devils, Ethan F with the Jets, Sebastian A with the Capitals, Frank W with the Penguins, Sebastian A with the Canucks, Paulo S with the Flames, Sebastian A with the Red Wings, Blue Whitey with the Maple Leafs, the Rick off SCF with the Oilers, Lawrence V with the Senators, Sebastian A with the Flyers. There's your names and teams for 257. Give you guys 10 minutes for trading, 826. We're going to bust this. This is Ryan from Canadian Cards, live on breakers.tv/Canadian Cards, youtube.com, twitch.tv, Facebook Live, also broadcasting on sportscardforum.com. For all your sports card trade needs, check out sportscardforum.com. We have break number 257. It's a 3-box break. It has 15-16 Upper Deck Black, 2 boxes of 16-17 Fleer Showcase. Also has a blaster box giveaway of 16-17 Series 2 Blaster, or Series 2 Hockey. It's a blaster box. It'll be given away at the end of the break. Just want to thank everybody for joining. We just completed the randoms in the trade session. We had a couple trades. We had 2 trades. Here's your names and teams. We have Ethan F with the Hurricanes, Blue Whitey with the Islanders, Ricky P with the Coyotes, Ryan C with the Rangers, the Rick off SCF with the Panthers, John V with the Predators, Kyle C with the Blues, Sean M with the Sabres, the Rick with the Sharks, Mikey T with the Canadians, Frank W with Blue Jackets, Sean M with the Lightning, Kyle D with the Ducks, Darren D with the Stars, Ethan F with the Avalanche, Kyle D with the Blackhawks, Ryan C with the Kings, Stash W with the Wild, Frank W with the Bruins, Sean J with the Devils, Ethan F with the Jets, Frank W with the Capitals in Wings, Sebastian A with the Canucks, Paulo S with the Flames, Sebastian A with the Penguins, Blue Whitey with the Maple Leafs, the Rick off SCF with the Oilers, Lawrence V with the Senators, and Sebastian A with the Flyers. There's your names and teams for break 257. I'm going to do Showcase, and then we'll do Upper Deck Black. Good luck to everyone. Thanks for joining. We'll do break 258 right after this. We have 5 boxes to do. We'll get all this stuff out to you guys tomorrow. Stars, Darren. We have Planet Metal, Yarmer Yager going out to the Panthers. Neat little hit to start the break. That's going out to Rick. The Rick off SCF. Breaks also brought to you by BCW Protect Store and Display. We have Connor Brown for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Brown for the Maple Leafs. Patrick Kane for the Hawks. Mario Lemieux for the Penguins. Stop by the Toronto cardshow.com if you guys are near Toronto this weekend. Be at the Leaside Brewery. We have Joel Erickson X, Blue Ice, numbered 068 of 199 for the Wild. And then in 2 weeks, be up in Montreal at the Annie Expo. Numbered 03 of 25, Anatoly Zamenhof, retro for the Canucks. And then 2 weeks after the Annie Expo in Montreal, be in Toronto at the Sports Card Expo, booth 401, 401A. Stop by. We'll be doing a giveaway in the next little while, just working on details. Whoa. 07 of 10 for the Panthers. Mikael Matheson, sick patch. Out of 10. Zero 7 of 10. I like that patch though. That is very nice. White hot. Oh yeah. I like that patch. That patch is crazy. Don't mind the screen. I'm going to be changing some stuff up in the office. 07 of 10. Very, very nice. It's going out to the Rick. He's an SCF member. He's been joining my breaks for a while now. Alexander Barkov. Red glow for the Panthers. Yeah. There you go, Rick. That is sweet. Provorov for the Flyers. Kucherov for the Lightning. So like I said, guys, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 till 9 Eastern Standard Time. I'm live on here. So I want to thank everybody for joining. Don't forget to follow and like the Facebook page. Doing something like that, Sean. Matt Duchesne. Scoring Kings for the Avs. Michael Kempney for the Blackhawks. I'll also be doing a release day break for 16-17 Ice. Brett Burns for the Sharks. Hey, Jeremy. Tyler Mott for the Blackhawks. How's it going tonight, Jeremy? So there was one spot left. Whoever grabbed it on the site's the lucky person. Oh, 2 cases of ice, maybe 3. depending on how many we can get filled. Wayne Gretzky for the Edmonton Oilers. I have 2 ordered, 1 on standby. I feel like some 99s. Corey Snyder. And then I got three cases of SPA ordered. I couldn't go too hard because, you know, I need to get new members. So guys, sign up on the website. Sign up to the newsletter. Like the Facebook page. All breaks are either put in the timeline or posted on the Facebook page. Anthony Mantha for the Red Wings. Alright, on to the next box. 16-17 showcase. See if it can compete with the first box. That out of 10 was sick. Hey, Super Joe. Welcome to the channel. Jacob Chitron for the Coyotes. Like I said, I have another break going to be posting up for Saturday. And then once that's full, Mark Messier for the Rangers. Once that's full, I'll be putting the ice up to pre-fill that. You guys just grab your spots, fill it up. We get the first one 3/4 of the way full. I'll post the second one. We have Jamie Benn, Planet Metal for the Stars. Kevin LeBlanc for the Sharks. Sebastian Aho for the Hurricanes. Alex Ovechkin for the Capitals. So we got a 5-box break right after this. There was 1 spot left on the website. I'm sure it's gone by now. There's a couple guys that wanted it. Lawson Krause for the Coyotes. Tyler Mott for the Blackhawks. Logan Couture for the Sharks. Phil Kessel for the Penguins. We have a quad, Hot Prospects quads out of 399. Avito, Mozik, Patilla, and Lappinen for the Devils. How's the games going, guys? Don't have the game on at the moment. How's the Leafs game, especially? Yeah, I'm a Leafs fan. We have Tim Kerr, 20 of 25. For the Hurricanes. For the Hartford Whaler, a.k.a. the Hurricanes. Tied at 0. Nice. Thanks, Lawrence. Hey, John. £5-4. Looks like that game's going in pretty good, eh? We have number 224 of 299. For the Edmonton Oilers, Jesse Puljujärvi. That's a solid hit. Oh yeah, solid auto for sure. Carey Price for the Canadiens. Match Pacioretty for the Canadiens. Sid the Kid Crosby for the Penguins. Yeah, it is for sure. Solid auto. William Nylander for the Maple Leafs. Last pack for Showcase. Jonathan Taves for the Blackhawks. Oh, nah. All right, on to 15-16. Good old Upper Deck Black. Minus where they put that. Good old, we'll open it this way. They like to put that little barcode in different wonderful places, don't they? And then you guys have an empty box. Empty hand, just grabbing some decoys, guys. We have Nick Foligno out of 349 for the Blue Jackets. We have Ben Hutton out of 299 for the Canucks. Oh, we have Promanship. Slight markings on the surface. A little bit of roller. Still a beautiful card from a distance for the Red Wings. Dylan Larkin. It's on the surface there. I've seen a lot worse, but it is there. You have to really look at it from there to glare on it. But besides that, everything else looks to be good. Really nice card. We have signature rookies, Victor Arvidsson, 051 of 249 going into the Preds. We have Nick Shore, rookie coverage for the LA Kings. All right, last card. We have 14 of 49, slight roller mark, lustrous ink, dual patch, Bo Horvat, very slight roller mark. You probably won't see it on the camera. Nice card, 14 of 49. I'm just picky on my cards, guys, so beautiful card, though. Alright, guys, that's the end of Break 257. Up next is the Blaster Box giveaway. Thanks again. Have yourself a great night. Guys, this is Ryan from Canadian Cards, live on breakers.tv/Canadian Cards, Facebook Live, YouTube.com, Twitch.tv, also broadcasting on sportscardforum.com. We just completed break number 257. I'm just going to do this giveaway from the break. It's Blaster Boxes 16-17 Series 2. I'm going to random all 30 names from the break. You can use the dice roller on random.org to determine how many times we're going to do the randoms. It has to be equal 5 or more between the two dice. Just want to say thank you to everybody for joining and good luck. The name on top after the number of times we do the random will win the Blaster Box. So we have 6 and 2, 8 times. Here's all the names. Sebastian, the free spot was at the bottom. Frank on top. There'll be 30 spots. We're going to go 8 times as per the dice. Good luck to everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ethan, congratulations, sir. You went 8 times. Congratulations, Ethan. Here's your blaster box, sir. Good luck. Up next, we have break 258, guys. We have Young Guns checklist. Ryan Sutter, canvas. So we have 258 right after this, guys, and then I'll be posting up another break for Saturday, 12 noon. Nick Smoltz. Hey, Sean. Kevin LeBlanc. Charlie Lindgren. Young Gun. It's just a blaster box giveaway from break 257, guys. Up next will be the break 258, and then I'll get break 259 posted. And once 259's full, work on filling ice for next week. Danton Hennon. I'll get all these out to you tomorrow. Ah, they're going to count that, eh? Young Gun checklists. There you go, Ether. Just double checking. Sometimes they slide it through as an extra. There you go, Ether. Congratulations, sir.